boys.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the finale of our program today. We want to thank you so much, but we don't want you to leave. We want you to dance with us to the Filimo Band after and have just a grand old time. But right now we're going to do a finale Taualuga dance, because when we build houses in the islands, the last thing to do is the roof. So literally translated, the word Taualuga is the roof. So, and therefore, and we also use this as a fundraising dance. So this, as a typical slang language, this will be our money dance for today, because the Luau is our fundraising for this year. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have $1, you have $10, you have 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, $1 million, write a check today for APCC. We would appreciate it, okay? So, but our own APCC Samoan Taualuga dancer, Miss Kiana Fuega, please bring your love to the stage. Welcome, Kiana Fuega.